Got me?
Yeah.
Alright. Mine.
What's that?
Oh, what's that?
What'd you think?
I said, what's the difference in this and what I've got? Because this is fucking crazy.
Not a whole lot. Like right now, we got it on low boost still.
Yeah.
Not very many KRXs that are like that.
No.
So take it for a little putt?
Yeah, I'll take it for a cruise back. That's awesome. Dude, it's just the exhaust. I'm like, fuck, I love this. See, I didn't get the chance to play with mine too much before I started tearing everything else down. So it was like just literally some loops around and the street and stuff, and that was about it.
Right.
This is fucking rowdy, dude.
Right.
I'm sold.